Evening Bishkek, you became the reason for the fate I've seen. My frozen heart is aching badly. I still need your healing. Where are you now? Where are you now? Tell me somehow. My soul once overflowed with happiness that glowed. My love, my burning and wounded heart is breaking slowly. You never knew it, you never felt it, you never loved like me. My love, the way you looked with wonder, the way you cared so tender, that kind of affection, where will I ever find it? My thoughts are full of sorrow. You broke my painless world apart. Maybe if we meet again, I wanna tell you everything. Kечки Бишкек. Мен көргөн тагдырга болдуң себеп. Музга айланган кан көлдүн дартына жобуң керек. Kечки Бишкек.